Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. Now the first thing we need to do is, if you don't have a Gumroad account already, make sure to go ahead and sign up and create one. Another thing you need to do is to make sure that the payment method or the payout method is all set up for you to be able to publish your ebook live. Now for us to add in our ebook into our Gumroad account, what we're going to do is we're going to go into products right here. So go ahead and click into this. Now we can go ahead and create new product right here on the top right. And then you have the options of what you are creating. So say for example, I'm going to create one called my ebook right here. Now you can go ahead and choose the type of products it is. And of course it is an ebook. So go ahead and select this right here. Now you can go ahead and set in the price that you want. Say for example, the price of my ebook is $10.99. If you want to change the currency, you can go ahead and change it in here as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and click next, or to customize the actual product. So this is where the product information that you need to go ahead and add in. So you need to add in, of course, what the description is of your ebook. You can add it all in here. There is the URL as well. And if you want to make it more specific, to say for example, my ebook right here, so it's easier to find in terms of all of your products, this particular URL is set for your account, and this my ebook is basically just for you to find the product very quickly. Now onto the cover section. The cover is an image that is horizontal for you to add in as a preview for your product itself. So this is what it would look like once it has been uploaded. You should be able to see it right here. The thumbnail is where you can go ahead and add it in the Gumroad library. So say for example, people are looking for your specific ebook, and then this is one way for them to be able to see your specific ebook itself. You can add in more information that you want, such as your product info, any integrations that you want. If you want to change the pricing, again, if you want the customers to pay for what they want, they can go ahead and toggle this. Or if you want the customers to pay in installments, they can also go ahead and do that. If you want to add different versions of the ebook, say for example, a 50% discount of, like, say the first 10 pages or something, they can go ahead and do that as well. If you want to add any more settings, these are available right here as well. And once that you're happy, we're going to go ahead and click save and continue. Now the content part is exactly where you want to add in your specific ebook. So your ebook can be a form of either link, or it can be a PDF. If you want to go ahead and add those in, then all you need to do is click upload files right here. And then you can go ahead and drag and drop or add in your ebook. And then once that you're happy, you can go ahead and click publish and continue, like so. But again, as I've mentioned, you need to make sure that at least there is one payment method available before you make this live. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.